Today we're going to be reading a story called Purple Octopus, Purple Octopus. Where are you going? You can read along with us if you want. Ready? Purple Octopus, Purple Octopus. Where are you going? I am going to see my friend the gray seal. What sound does the seal make? The gray seal makes the sound bark, bark, bark. Gray seal, gray seal, where are you going? I am going to see my friend the Blue Marlin. What sound does the marlin make? The Blue Marlin makes the sound splash, splash, splash. Blue Marlin, Blue Marlin, where are you going? I am going to see my friend the goldfish. What sound does the goldfish make? The goldfish makes the sound glug, glug, glug. Goldfish, goldfish, where are you going? I am going to see my friend the white trout. What sound does the trout make? The white trout makes the sound swish, swish, swish. White trout, white trout, where are you going? I am going to see my friend the red tropical fish. What sound does the tropical fish make? The red tropical fish makes the sound whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Red tropical fish, red tropical fish, what are you doing? I am playing with all my friends. Can you remember all the friends I am playing with? I am playing with the purple octopus, the gray seal, the blue marlin, the goldfish, and the white trout. We are all good friends. The end.